I'm dyeing it black. You can see my hair, how it looks. This is what it looks like. That's my hair. And so let's get started. Hey guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that y'all enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe if you want to see more. If you don't want to see more, I mean obviously you don't want to subscribe, so don't do that. Like this video or dislike it, I don't really care. Do whatever you think is reasonable or appropriate. That's about it. If y'all have any questions about this video at all, comment down below and I will get to it as soon as possible. Okay guys, bye! Oh, and by the way, I've been using a Revlon hair dye since 2008, so it will be 10 years in August. Just wanted to put that out there, guys. So I actually really love this brand. It's my favorite.